Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you guys are having a fantastic week. Today is Thursday. We've made it to day number 179 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting an offer on a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Legion Secrets. Okay, we're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. So please go back and watch these previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed on where we started and where we are right now. Also, if you can, please like and subscribe to this channel. It helps the algorithm and helps get that out to people who need the extra income. All right, so let's go ahead and hop right into this video. Day number 179. Let's jump right into it. If you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, Mileage and Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. So every day you come into this back office here, guys, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. Okay. Now, what separates the two is going to determine is how many accounts that you have. All right. And the more accounts that you have, the more opportunity that you have to get in front of people. Okay. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secret, they allow you to stack your accounts. Okay. So you can literally sign up today and then use your affiliate link right here to sign up underneath your own account. Okay. So you would sign up today. And then once you sign up, you're going to get access to this back office and you're going to have your own affiliate link. And what you can do is you can sign up underneath your own accounts. Okay. And you can stack those accounts to get as many as you like. All right. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secret is they allow you to have these multiple accounts, guys, and it doesn't cost you anything extra for yourself. Okay. And the cool thing is that you get a kickback of a commission of what you pay for your monthly payment. Okay. So if you have 5 different accounts, okay, you're going to get paid off 4 of those accounts. Okay, which is pretty cool. So a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secret over a few years now. I totally love the service. I promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. All right. I have about 8 different accounts. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out my emails every single day. Okay. And I make money every single week with this method. All right. Now, My Legion Secret, there's going to be a couple ways that you can make money online with this. Okay. Number one is going to be promoting My Legion Secret itself. You can literally create an email, use your affiliate link, go to the mailing system, and then just submit an email to your traffic. Okay. So that's going to be one way that you can make money with My Legion Secret. And you can literally just come in here to affiliates tab, click on the promo tools, come down here. There's going to be some pre-written email swipes that are tailored just for the My Legion Secret system. You can just literally click on one of these emails, import it into the mailing system, which is right here. Click on all your emails to select the ones you want to email out, which is going to be all of them. Okay. You come down here, you have a pre-written subject line that's already populated. You also have a body of text. You can literally scroll down, see your affiliate link right here, click on perfect timing, and then click on send. Okay. This email is going to go out, and then all your prospects that are in your back office in your account, they are going to see this email and they're going to click on this link. This link is going to take them to the My Legion Secret landing page. And that's where that's going to do all the selling and telling for them. Okay. So that person can go and get signed up. Once they sign up, you will earn a commission from My Legion Secret. Okay. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secret is they allow you to come in every 24 hours and send out an email. Okay. So I can come in every single day. Okay. Around this same time, since I like sending my emails out at night, I can come in every single day and send out an email and I can reach thousands and thousands of people. Okay. So that's going to be one way that you can make money with the mailing system is just by promoting My Legion Secret. The other way is going to be using an affiliate network such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo. There's tons of different CPA networks that you guys can be a part of, and you can use their business opportunity offers. Okay. Now, this My Legion Secret traffic, guys, these people care about making money online. All right. So it's our job is to find an offer. Okay, and then find the the business opportunity niche section, okay, and find the offer, okay, and then get the affiliate link from that offer and create an email around that offer. Okay, that's going to be very important that you have the right email, the right offer, and you're able to send it out to this traffic. Okay. So there's going to be three ways to send out an email in the mailing system. Number one is just to create an email. Okay. If you're good at ad copy and just coming up with stuff off your head, which is pretty awesome if you're able to do that. I recommend just, making yourself unique by creating your own structure in an email and, having a call to action button at the bottom and then direct link that to your affiliate offer. Okay. The second way is going to be using some kind of AI service or chat GPT. You can literally go to those services and just tell it to create you an email based on the offer that you are promoting. And then the third way is going to be using the free email swipes that come with the vendor. Okay. They come with the offer. All right. Now, the cool thing about ClickBank and why we're using them is that the offers on ClickBank respond very well to this mileage and secret traffic. And that's why I've been using these emails, the traffic source for a long time to promote the mileage and secret, use the mileage and secret traffic. Okay. So on ClickBank, if you go to clickbank.com, you can sign up for a free account. Doesn't cost you anything. You can literally go there and you can use the free business opportunity offers that they have. Okay. So they have about four different offers that I would recommend promoting. Just pick one of those offers, and those offers do have pre-written emails that you guys can use. Okay, and that's what I would recommend starting out first, is just by using those pre-written email swipes from the vendor first before you jump into AI and all that stuff. Just use what's already working. Okay, and then once you see that it's working, you can then go and have chat gpt or ai just repurpose those same emails that you're using. Okay, because the free email swipes, they're there for a reason. They work. Don't matter how many times you use them, they just work, guys. Okay, people respond to them and people are buying from those emails. All right, so I recommend using those emails. So let me just show you what one of those emails would look like. Okay, you can literally right here. This is it's going to have a subject line for you. Okay. You have a body of text right here. Okay. And then if you come down here is a call to action, clickable link right here. So all our prospect has to do is click on this link and it's going to take them to our affiliate page. And our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. Okay. We don't have to do anything but make sure our email looks good and make sure we have a clickable link ready to go. Okay. And then you can click send and that email will go out to thousands and thousands of people. Okay. So very cool, very powerful method, guys. If you guys wanted to get started doing this method, I would recommend going back and watching these previous videos, getting your account started today. I did leave a link below this video so you guys can get started. All right. So let's go ahead and hop on over here to ClickBank. This is one of my ClickBank accounts, okay, that I use. Now I've been with ClickBank over a century now. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. These offers are, convert. I've been making money with ClickBank for a century, okay, which, can tell you how long I've been with them, all right? So what I like doing is the last 30 days, just so you can see the algorithm. Today is the October the 23rd, 23rd down here. And these are just the offers, the commissions from the last 30 days, okay? It's been pretty consistent, guys, with making money with this system. Okay, and with this method, that's why I can come here and show you guys, and show you guys results because this stuff does work. Okay, as you can see, we've been getting sales. You may have some days where it's hit and miss. 4 days in a row where you're getting sales back to back. You may not get a sale here and then get a sale back to back here. We missed 2 days right here, but then we came back and got back to back sales. We missed a day, back to back, missed a day, back to back, 2 days, back to back, missed a day, back to back, and we didn't get a sale today. Okay. And that's just kind of been the algorithm, guys. All right. From month number 5, we have finally made it to, well, we're almost at month number 6, but we're at the end of month number 5. Okay. So we're getting ready to get into that halfway mark of this video series. Okay. So what that tells me is in the beginning, if you watch those previous videos, we may have gotten a sale here and then may have gotten a sale next week or way over here. Okay. Now, the cool thing about being in the month 5 and heading into the middle of this challenge is that this is the progress that we've made, guys. We made some tremendous project progress. Okay, and these sales have gotten very, very close together. Okay, so all that we are waiting on now is to bridge these gaps right here, okay, to where we're getting sales every single day, okay. That is the whole purpose here. That is the whole goal, is to earn money every single day, okay, and to get this making steady income. All right. Now the cool thing about ClickBank, why I love them so much, is that they pay every Friday. Okay, so every Friday you come in here. You send out your emails, and if it meets that threshold, and you can set that threshold to $25, $50, $100, however you want to do it, and you can get paid every single week from ClickBank. And right now, I'm getting paid every single week from ClickBank, which I'm loving it right now. So, but that's coming from me sending out emails every single day. Okay. I have multiple ClickBank accounts, but this specific account I'm only using just for my Legion secret traffic. That way, no one can say, okay, well, he's using other traffic sources and things like that, which is my other ClickBank accounts. I do use, other traffic sources, paid advertising, YouTube, solo ads. I do a lot of different advertising online. But this specific account is only just for my Legion secret traffic. Okay. So I just wanted to let you guys know that this is just my Legion secret traffic. So these commissions come from my Legion secrets. Okay. There's no other traffic source for this account that I'm using. Okay. So this lets you know that this stuff works, guys. Okay. So I just wanted to share that with you, that this does work. So if you guys wanted to get started, come below this video. Okay, just click on here. There's more tab, and then click on this MLGS True Freedom. It's going to take you over to the landing page of the My Legion Secrets. This is where you're going to go. As you can come down here and see, look at all the testimonials. These are people that are making money with the system. Okay. So there's a lot of people making money here. It's not just me, guys, making money with the system. So just know that, I'm not the only one, and there's other people out here doing it, guys. So this just let you know that this stuff does work. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. Go ahead and click on join MLGS now. Pay your $60, $30 a month to keep the service. It's just a no-brainer. I don't even have to argue about the fact that it costs that much. That's very low for what you're getting. Okay. And in return, you're getting thousands and thousands of people coming in every single month. And then you get to build those accounts up, and that traffic gets to stay with you. So that way you can promote whatever offer that you want to promote to a traffic. Say, for instance, there's a new offer, you want to try it out. Simply create an email and try that offer out with this traffic, and you can see if it works or not. Okay, that's the cool thing about My Legion Secret, is that they allow you to send out an email every day, so you can actually get in front of people every single day with this traffic. Okay, but remember that these people are looking for ways to make money. So if you try putting a cooking offer, something like that in front of them, okay, the results, your conversions may not be as high. Okay, so I just wanted to throw that out there at you guys. I don't want to take too much more of your time. I just wanted to come in and show you guys how easy it is to send out an email in the mailing system. I've already sent my emails out for tonight, so we'll meet back up here tomorrow to talk about those results. But again, I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to send out an email. I also wanted to show you the results from the last 30 days so you can see the algorithm, what it's looking like. It does change, it does go up and down, but for the most part, it does stay consistent. Okay, and we do get paid every single week from these commissions. So please like and subscribe to this channel. I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm going to come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.